Okay, so you got your job. You're getting paid a lot of money. You're making all this income. You guys are flossing on Instagram, showing your $100 bills. You're popping bottles. You're making it rain. But let me ask you one question. What is your money doing for you? What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. I got my coffee. I hope you got yours, because today is going to be a great video. I maybe had a little too much caffeine. I'm not sure, but if I get a little weird, try to bear with me, guys, okay? I swear it's all caffeine and coffee, no tequila, vodka, or rum in this. Okay, guys, let's get right into it. So if you have a financial vehicle, a job, a career, give yourself a clap. You guys deserve a round of applause because you make money, you have an income, you pay taxes, and you are a part of the financial economy. Today, I'm going to show you the best app for beginners to start saving and investing. Your money is easily accessible and invested passively. You can take your money out anytime you want, because it's connected to your bank account and it's invested passively into index funds that you don't necessarily need to manage, which is the mindset we want to have once we start investing. And the app we're going to be talking about today is called the Acorns app. Let's hop right in. Okay, when you hop on the app, the first thing it's going to ask you is, what kind of portfolio do you want? And you guys are probably thinking, first time investors, never saved money before. What the heck is a portfolio? So guys, a portfolio is a range of investments invested either in real estate, the stock market, or in businesses. The first one is the conservative. And as you can see, it's mostly invested in bonds. Now, bonds aren't very aggressive and they're very low risk. I strongly recommend you guys start in the conservative portfolio because there's less risk. You're also going to grow your money. Now let's take a look at the second portfolio. This one is moderately conservative. Now, it's a little bit more aggressive than your conservative approach, but it's still not going to grow at a fast pace, but your money is safe and you're still growing it. It's invested in medium company stocks, international stocks, large company stocks. So as you can see, you're broadly diversified. Now the third one, the middle, of course, is moderate. It's a little bit more aggressive than the conservative, and it's a little bit more aggressive than the moderately conservative. As you can see, it's invested more in large company stocks. Also, the international company stocks is invested in 18%, which is more than the moderately conservative and the conservative. Okay, now the next one is moderately aggressive. Now you guys are getting bold. You guys are getting risky. You guys are getting risky with the money. I'm just kidding, guys. This is also a great portfolio to invest in. Look at the large company stocks, 47%. You're broadly diversified. You're growing your money at a faster pace, but you're also taking a little bit more risk. So to each his own, you guys invest what you guys feel you can do. And as you can see, the last portfolio, aggressive. Now you guys are just being fools, man. I'm just kidding. Aggressive is a great way to grow your money as well. Look at this. Large company stocks, 55%. Medium company stocks, 10%. Small company stocks, 5%. International company stocks, 30%. Now you guys are growing your money at a faster pace, but there's also a little bit of risk involved. Let's see what these large company stocks are. So you click into it, and you can see that these large company stocks is Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Google, and Google Class A, which are top 500 stocks on the S&P 500. These are top stocks. The younger you are, the more aggressive you should go. The closer you get to retirement, the more safe you should be. Meaning, if I was 65 years old, I wanted to retire already, I don't want to lose money in an aggressive portfolio. But if I'm 32 years old, I want to be in more of an aggressive portfolio because I have more time to grow my money. I also can lose money here and there. When you're 65, you can't lose money because if you run out of money, you're going to be put on the streets. The first thing I love about Acorns is this roundup feature. Now, the roundup feature allows you to put money into the stock market. Every time you purchase something at a grocery store, the mall, whatever it is, your debit card is linked to the app and allows you to invest the loose change. As you can see in my app, here's all the loose change that I was able to invest back in the stock market. You see here, I bought something from Place It. It's an online store. It was like $25.95 or whatever, but it invested the 5 cents. Also, you guys can take a look at all of the stuff that I've purchased and was able to invest. I invested the loose change. So this is how you start investing passively and invest all your loose change. It's pretty cool. And I haven't seen any other app that does this. The second feature on the Acorns app that I'm going to show you that helped me out tremendously with saving and investing my money is the reoccurring investments. Okay guys, here's the reoccurring investment feature. As you can see, you have an option to choose an amount you want to put in every day. Remember what I said, you got to pay yourself first. When I hopped into this app and saw that I could pay myself every day first, boom, a light went off. This app allows you, as you can see, to pay yourself every day, every week, or every month. You're able to choose what you'd like to do. At first, I started with $2 a day. As the months went on, I upped that. I started raising the amount. Then I went to $5 a day. Then I went to $10 a day. As you guys can see now, my goals have now reached $85 a day. My ultimate goal is to reach $100 a day, paying myself $100 a day before I even wake up in the morning. I have it set for 6 a.m. to pay myself $85. So you know what? It makes me keep money in my bank account. This feature is amazing. It's a great way to start saving money. And as you can see, I'll click in it. You can select either day, week, month. You can set whatever you guys want. I have it coming out daily. And then also you can set the amount. So guys, my opinion on the Acorns app is beautiful. Go get it. I don't get no money for saying this. But you know what? If you guys want to sign up, down in the link, I'll post the link. You guys sign up under my name. I get $5 and you get $5 to start your investment portfolio. Oh, wait, hold on. Did I mention the price for Acorns app? I don't think I mentioned it yet. Okay, I'm sorry guys. Because the price for Acorns app is $1 a month. $1 a month. Go do it, guys. It'll be the best thing you can do starting out. It helped me out so much, and I wanted to help you guys out. Get after it. Let's make this money. Peace.